Hi, I'm just making a quick video to show how to use conditional formatting to highlight rows where column A or column 1 is larger than column 2, but leaving everything else alone. So to do that, I'd use conditional formatting. I'd highlight the area that I want to use, click Format, and then click Conditional Formatting. And you'll get this over here on the right hand side. So what I need to do first is change this here, where it says it's not empty. I need to click there and scroll right to the bottom. And sorry, that's slightly off screen. It's called Custom Formula Is. And then here, what you need to do is write equal, and you have to use dollar signs, don't use pound signs. So it'd be equal $a to dollar. Done it again there, $a. Okay. So I'm starting in that from A2 all the way down to the bottom of A. And then I'm going to say larger than, and then I need to do B because that's the one I'm using. B to B. Okay. So you can see here on the left hand side, it's actually showing me what it would do. So that is working. It's making everything in the row green if A is higher than B. Okay. Now if I want to change that to be equal to as well, all I need to do is put an equal sign here and it will change that. Or I can change it the other way around. If I want it lower, I'll do that instead. I'm going to keep it that way. Now you can also change the colour as well. I'm going to put it yellow. For example, you can put it any kind of colour you want. You can do all sorts of bits of text there. But yeah, that's the way I would do it. All right.